today we are going to learn about listening comprehension in cooking context. Okay. So the listening objective on this material is to improve student ability to understand spoken English in real kitchen. Jadi tujuan utama dari materi ini ialah untuk meningkatkan kemampuan kita dalam memahami bahasa Inggris lisan dalam situasi dapur nyata. Kemudian to develop skills in identifying key cooking verbs and vocabulary through listening activities. Dan juga untuk mengembangkan keterampilan dalam mengidentifikasi kata kerja atau kosakata, terutama dalam memasak melalui aktivitas mendengarkan, karena kita berfokus pada listening comprehension. Kemudian to train student to recognize the correct sequence of steps in a cooking process through listening. Dan juga untuk melatih siswa mengenali urutan langkah yang benar dalam proses memasak melalui mendengarkan. Okay, next. Okay, in this slide there is some vocabulary that commonly used in cooking instruction. So guys, I will mention the word and then you repeat it after me.
Yes,
can you guys?
Yes.
Okay, the first word is boil.
Boil.
Next, fry.
Fry.
And then chop.
Chop.
And then stir.
Stir.
Mix.
Mix.
Add.
Add.
Heat.
Heat.
Slice.
Slice.
Pour.
Pour.
And then simmer.
Simmer.
Then crack.
Crack.
And salt.
Salt.
Okay. Next. So in this slide, there's a spoken English in real kitchen situation, giving instruction. Okay. Jadi di sini ada beberapa bahasa Inggris yang biasa digunakan dalam memberikan instruksi memasak. Bisa dibaca ya. Lanjut saja. Di sini ada example audio script dalam instruksi memasak. Nah, bisa dilihat ada beberapa kata yang sudah saya highlight menggunakan yang berwarna merah itu adalah kata yang mengartikan urutan suatu kalimat atau instruksi. Sedangkan yang birunya adalah kata kerja. Kita langsung saja. Okay, so in this slide there is an fill in the blank activity. Jadi di sini Miss akan memutarkan audio dan kalian akan melengkapi kata yang hilang.
Yes, Miss.
Flour and baking powder in a bowl. First, mix the flour and baking powder in a bowl. Then, in another bowl, mix the sugar and butter. Next, add an egg. And blend in the mixture from the first bowl. Finally, use a wooden spoon to put balls of the cookie dough onto a baking tray. And bake in the oven for 10 minutes.
Okay, have you done, guys?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Okay, so now we want to fill the missing word. Anyone?
Me.
Okay, Joyce, please.
Okay. First, mix the flour and baking powder in a bowl. Then, in another bowl, mix the sugar and butter. Next, add the egg and blend in the mixture from the first bowl. Finally, use a wood spoon to put balls of the cookie dough into a baking tray. And bake in the oven for 10 minutes.
Thank you, Joyce, for your answer. And then I will tell you the correct answer. Please check your answer. Okay? baking powder in a bowl. And then in another bowl, mix the sugar and butter. Next, add the egg and blend in the mixture from first bowl. Then, finally, use a wooden spoon to put balls of the cookie dough into a baking tray. And then the last is and bake in the oven for 10 minutes. Is this same with your answer?
Yes, miss.
Okay, thank you, Joyce. Okay, next slide is there is a squinting step activity. Jadi guys, saya akan memutarkan audio dan kalian akan menyusun instruksi yang benar karena yang kalian lihat di sini adalah instruksi yang kurang tepat atau berantakan.
Yes, miss.
The mushrooms, onions, and peppers. Great. Then grate the cheese. Heat. Next, heat oil in the pan. Cook. Then cook for 1 minute. And after that, add the tomato sauce and cheese to the base. Put. Then put the vegetables, ham and pepperoni on top.
Okay, have you done, guys?
Yes, miss.
Okay, now who wants to sequence this cooking instruction correctly?
Me, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Okay, thanks for the opportunity. I will answer this question and as you can see the sentence. Okay, the first one is number 2. First, chop the mushroom, onions, and peppers. And second is number 3. Then grate the cheese. And third is number 1. Next, heat oil in the pan. And fourth is number 1. Next, heat oil in the pan. And next is number 5. Then cook for 1 minute. And next is number 4. After that, add the tomato sauce and cheese to the base. And 6 is number 7. Then put the vegetable, ham and pepperoni on top. And the last one is finally cook the pizza in the oven for 15 minutes. Thank you, ma'am.
Wow, thank you, Joyce. Thank you. Okay, thank you for your answer. And then I will check the correct answer if the same with your answer. Okay, so number one is first chop the mushroom and onions and peppers, and then grate the cheese, and then next heat oil in the pan, and then cook for 1 minute, and after that add the tomato sauce and cheese to the base, and then put the vegetables, ham and pepperoni on top, and finally cook the pizza in the oven for 15 minutes. Is the answer same with your answer?
Yes, ma'am. My
Okay.
answer is right. Thank you,
Okay. Well, thank you very much for today. Hopefully, the material today you can understand and apply in your daily activity. So, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.